Now let's see the documentation. Now let's create a function for removing liquidity from the contract. The amount of ether that would send back to the user would based on a ratio. The ratio is Ethereum sent back to the user divided by ether current ether reserve equal to amount of LP tokens that user wants to withdraw divided by total supply of the tokens. Amount of crypto dApp tokens that would be sent back to the user would be also based on a ratio. The ratio is crypto dApp sent back to the user divided by current crypto dApp tokens reserve equal to amount of LP token that user wants to withdraw divided by total supply of tokens. The amount of LP tokens that user would use to remove liquidity would be burned. So let's copy this function and paste it here. Returns the amount of Ethereum crypto dApp tokens that would be returned to the user. Using passing the amount should be greater than 0. Ethereum reserve address is the balance. Total supply, the amount of ether that would be sent back to the user is based on ratio. Ratio is Ethereum sent back to the user divided by current reserve equal to amount of LP token that user wants to withdraw divided by total supply of LP tokens. Excuse me. Then by some maths, Ethereum sent back to the user equal to current Ethereum reserve multiply amount of LP tokens that user wants to withdraw divided by total supply of tokens. Ethereum amount equal to Ethereum reserve multiply amount that user want to withdraw divided by total supply. The amount of crypto dApp tokens that would be sent back to the user is based on the ratio. Okay. Ratio is crypto dApp tokens sent back to the user divided by current crypto dApp token reserve equal to amount of LP tokens that user wants to withdraw. So divided by total supply of LP tokens. Then some crypto dApp sent back to the user equal to current dApp token multiply amount of LP token that user wants to withdraw to supply of the token. So crypto dApp token is equal to get amount reserve multiply the amount that want to withdraw divided by total supply. Burn the sent LP tokens from the user's wallet because they are already sent to remove liquidity. So this amount will be burned. Transfer Ethereum amount of the ether from the contract to the user's wallet. Now let's transfer the Ethereum amount against the token that user want to burn. Now the crypto token of crypto dApp tokens, the amount of crypto dApp tokens from the contract to the user's wallet. So here it is. So let's move on to next function. Next, let's implement the swap functionality. Swap would go two ways. One way would be ether to crypto dApp token and other would be crypto dApp to ether. It's important for us to determine give X amount of ether divided by crypto dApp tokens sent by the user, how many Ethereum divided by crypto dApp tokens should receive from the swap. So let's create a function which calculates this. We will charge 1%. This means the amount of input token with fees would equal input amount with fees equal to input amount minus 1 into input amount divided by 100 equal to input amount multiply 99 divided by 100. Okay. So we need to follow the concept of xy equal to